Maverick Indicators here, and we are on ES. It's about 13 minutes after the open of the market, and I wasn't in front of my computer right away. I had to do something, so got in here a little late. Wish I would have just gotten off the open, because as you can tell, the Maverick AI Pro has absolutely mapped out our open here. If you look at it, we just were going straight across, and then we just broke straight up with bright green candles. If you're new to our channel, Maverick Indicators, this is the Maverick AI Pro that you're seeing in front of you that is coloring the background of your screen. Actually, let me walk you through like why we're in this trade, and then you'll kind of learn more about the indicator. So first things first, number one is we do have a green background. That indicates an uptrend. Okay, because sometimes your screens can be smushed and you can't really tell where the trend is going. This is looking at a pretty complex formula to tell you if we are going up or if we are going down. So you got the green background. The second thing is we are above the Maverick 200, and that's just your 200 EMA. But when you are above it, it turns green. It's color coded, so you can just at a glance see, are we going up or are we going down? We are above our cloud, and what's really great is we broke right off the open above our Maverick guide. Now our Maverick guide is this blue line right here. And when we're above the Maverick guide, we go long. When we're below the Maverick guide, we go short. So we're above the Maverick guide, and you saw just at the open, we just got an up arrow, which by the way, we got multiple up arrows leading right into the open, and we're on a 5-minute chart here, and we just started blowing straight up, which is just a beautiful thing. On top of that, you have lime green candles. This is the brightest candle that you can get on an up tick or an uptrend. And to say that in another way, when you have the most energy going up, your candles will be bright green. Okay, pink is our hottest down candle. Now don't pay attention to the pink candles to the left, because those are all pre-market, and that's overnight, and that's, you know, nobody trades in the middle of the night. But bright green candles, when you see those suckers, I mean, most likely we're going up. Probability, right? Trading is a game of probability. So most likely we're going to head up. And you can just see us rip in the open. You're coming into the open with a gray candle, then a doji candle, and then it's like, boom, we break the Maverick guide. We start getting a bunch of up arrows, and we just start flying up. Now, this indicator at the bottom here is really cool, and most likely the folks in our community, if you're a holder of the Maverick, oh yeah, we're up to 750 now. Let me adjust some of these so I can take one contract off and leave a runner here. Yeah, let me take care of this. Hold on, sorry guys. Whoa, we're flipping around. I like to take half the profit off when I hit a certain point. And we're only trading 2 contracts this morning. There's no news. So I don't like to, when there's no news and there's just not much volatility, I just like to take what the market will give me and then move on with my day. If you use a trade copier, there we go. So we just took about $400 off there. If you use a trade copier, gosh, you know, if you're on an account and even if we did $200 on this, if you got 5 prop firm accounts, I mean, that's $1,000 a day, and all you had to do was do 200 on a trade. Not financial advice, for entertainment purposes only. Do your own research, seek your own financial advisor. Got to say that. So this Maverick trender at the bottom here, bottom panel, we're going to make this available to our community soon to test it for free, which is really cool. And we're seeing some killer results from it. And I won't go into it today on how it works, but it's dead simple. And you can probably tell when that line hits a flat line at the top, you're going up. So it's just an easy way to spot a trend and see if you're going up or going down. Sorry guys, I'm hitting buttons over here trying to pull up an ATM. So we may run out of steam right around here. I know on ES, when you get past the 15-minute, that's when people start doing orb plays and all sorts of stuff, and the market can lose a little bit of steam or do a little bit of retracement. So with no news, I'm gonna keep this sucker pretty tight. But my Maverick trender is saying uptrend. I'm pretty pinned on it. I have the green background on my Maverick AI Pro. I am above my green cloud. I am above the Maverick 200, and we broke and are still being supported by the Maverick guide, this blue line. I make a lot of trading decisions around the Maverick guide because it's just so powerful. So let's making some decisions here in case we lose some steam. The Maverick trender has not told me otherwise, but maybe we just take this sucker off. And let's see if we can get a nice little push above this stop. There we go. Boom. All right. Killer. So let me pull up my, hang on one second. Let me pull up my other monitor and I'll show you guys the result of that trade. Just 2 contracts. The Maverick AI Pro guided me through the whole thing. It's, $750, right? I'll take it. If I'm using a trade copier, which I do a lot, and even across, 4 accounts on a trade copier with prop accounts, I mean, it's a $3,000 day, right? So quick 750 live on here. If you are interested in the Maverick AI Pro, if you want to get edge in the market, this is an indicator built by traders, and we refined it and put it through the paces with artificial intelligence. It is amazing. I do not trade without it. Go to MaverickIndicators.com. That's MaverickIndicators.com. And we are doing a special right now with a trial, a free trial. So come check us out.